So this video is about how you place users that you've already added into coaching relationships with each other. So you've inputted your users. Please look at the adding users video. Then you will go to set coaching levels. Now, because I'm doing this for us, we're already using the tool. Lots of this is already set up. So I'm just going to scroll down to where there's some blank spaces. The users in white are users that don't have a coaching relationship. The users in yellow, users that do have a coaching relationship. Let's say that I want Bilal in a coaching relationship with Julia. Then I've got some options to what kind of relationship. If it's just a unidirectional relationship, i.e. Bilal coaches Julia, that's the option. If I want them to coach each other, that's the option. If I click this button, I can have people in a trio with each other, and what that means is that Bilal coaches Julia, who coaches visitor 4, and visitor 4 coaches Bilal. So that is what we call a coaching trio. To delete relationships, I click these buttons. When I'm finished, I will click submit. That is how you put people into coaching relationships with each other.